Ayan, so, ayan, dito na po yung Binga Dam. Ayan, guys. Ayan, so, there you are. Ayan, so, doon muna kami, yan ang parking. Parking po, ayan, okay. So, this is Binga Dam, the biggest dam in Benguet. Dito nanggagaling din mga electric current ng some part of Manila. And, of course, the whole part of Benguet. Ayan, guys. So ayan, lapit tayo dito sa aking mga kaibigan, ay itong mga kabatsmate ko. So we are here now with my, ayan, so there you are, guys. Ito na po sila. Yes, hello. Say hi here. Hi. Ayan, where's the birthday celebrant? Happy birthday. Ayan, say happy birthday.
Kunin mo yung kamay, kunin mo yung kamay.
Ayan! Ayan ang aming birthday celebrant. Yeah. O mamaya na. Mamaya ng caption. Ayan. Of course, the ladies. Ayan, si... Ay, tayo lang ilan. Ilan ba tayo? Say hi here. Ayan. Ayan. So, okay guys, happy na naman kami. We meet each other once again. And of course, our very generous busmate Renato. Hi, Nato there. Ayan.